Hey everybody, we are back in the shop today working on Joey's engine. This is a CJ3A and I've got a light here and I'm going to try and show you what we're doing today. You see we got all those valve guides in there. This one, and this one are already cracked. I can see it from the top. I already pulled this one out, and we're going to go after this one next and just go down the line. Now you've seen me do this a bunch of different ways. You could hammer these out with a driver, which was the common way that they told you in the service manual. I've pressed them out with the same type of tool. I put them on the arbor press, and you've seen me press them out if you follow along in my videos. But these guys, they're really stuck in here. So this is a setup I made. I just threw this together quick. This is a regular port of power. Probably a lot of you guys got these in your shop. You can use these for a variety of things. This is a a port of power pull ram. You put your line to it, and this retracts. So there's a hook on this end, and there's usually a hook on that end. And I cut it off, and I put a 3/8 stud in there. Don't just use a cheap bolt or anything in there. That's a setup stud for like a milling machine setup. Very high strength steel, high quality. So I just welded a nut on the bottom, and this comes in and out, so if I need to change it. So we're going to hydraulically pull these out. You could do it. I've seen guys drop a stud through here, put a nut on the bottom, and then tighten a nut on the top, and that'll get it pulled out. One particular guy did that, and he cracked his block doing it that way. It was too concentrated of an area when he did it with a thick washer. So that didn't work out. So be careful if you do it that way. Here is my foot, I guess you'd call it. Okay, that's going to sit like that. I just took this on the bandsaw and just carved this out. It's not perfect, but it's just what I had laying around the shop. So I'll try and get the tripod out and get set up and show you how this works. And this is just a simple way to get valve guides out, and probably the safest way without damaging the block. Okay, you can see I've got a cross pin here. That's a 1-inch pin going through the top hook. We've got our hose going in. There's our stud. Let me get the light in there. Hang in there. Okay, you see the stud coming down through when I release the pressure. So we're going to put a nut on there and then hydraulically pull that guide out. That's a 3/8 stud, and the perfect size to come right up through. Pull the guide and not damage the block. Okay, we got pressure on the bottom there, and try and get you some better lighting here. Okay guys, hopefully you can see that okay. I'm just going to work the ram here. Okay, I think you heard that. That is the, that's when the guide first starts moving. Let me see if you can see that coming up. Okay, that's that part of it. And just keep going with this guy. Get you back over there. And I think you'll be able to see the guide coming up. Okay, there's the guide. Hope you can see that okay. Take our sleeve off. Okay, so that's about the fastest and the safest way I know to pull guides out, and it really doesn't take much. If you guys got a porta power in your garage, you could pick up that pull ram for not a whole lot of money, and then you just got a just get yourself a high quality stud, and you're there. Easy and safe way without damaging the block. And like I say, even the real tough ones that are stuck in there, it almost looks like they grew in the block, they will come out. Just put some pressure on them and boom, they'll pop right out of there. Okay guys, we are going to end this one here today. Just a quick little one to show you another way to remove valve guides. Like I say, I think this is the safest. You could bang them out, you could press them out. I've done it every different way. Lately the engines that have been coming in have been pretty old and corroded, and just everything is stuck more than normal. When it's like a good running engine, the guides come out a lot easier than when they've been sitting. So this is a good way to do it. It doesn't take a whole lot of money or time, so I hope this helps some of you guys out. So we're just going to call it quits here, and thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next video.